now coming in movement here at Lanka Gate. Take a look at these visuals. The crowd is swelling, and there you see the convoy making its way. We're reporting live from Lanka Gate, from the Kashi Hindu Vishwavidyalaya. This is the starting point of the Prime Minister's road show, and you can hear the Modi Modi chants increase now. There are only two chants that you hear. Either it's Modi Modi Zindabad or it's Har Har Mahadev. Now these visuals, first pictures coming in of the Prime Minister's convoy. Take a look at the other vehicle in which the Prime Minister is going to hold the road show. That vehicle is ready. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, came here a short while back. So the stage is all set. Anytime now, you will get the first glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Lanka Gate. He's seeking a third term as the candidate of Varanasi, as the Prime Minister of the country, and people of Kashi are out on the streets to pour their love, shower their blessings on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, several points have been made on this entire route of 5-kilometer long road show, which is going to start from the statue of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, where the Prime Minister is going to pay tribute to the educational reformer, the co-founder of BHU, and from here the road show will move towards the Kashi Vishwanath temple, where it will culminate when the Prime Minister offers his prayers to Baba Vishwanath. Anytime now you will get the first glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, is already here. I believe the Prime Minister is going to make, you see the SPG officials take their positions, UP police officials as well, making sure that they crowd control, they do the entire management. And I believe we are getting those first visuals now of the Prime Minister climbing up the stairs, making his way towards the statue of, yes, and those are the first visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is going to garland the statue of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, and you can hear the crowd here. The energy is up, the josh is high after they caught the first glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Prime Minister there paying tributes, garlanding the statue of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. And in fact, the Prime Minister has often spoken about the contributions made by Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. So really, this roadshow would have been incomplete without this tribute, without the respects that the Prime Minister is right now paying. And now he looks towards the crowd, and just take a look at the energy around here. The first glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and people here are ecstatic. It's electrifying, this atmosphere here at the Lanka Gate, and the Prime Minister there acknowledging the fact that people have turned up in large numbers on top of buildings around the Lanka Gate, behind those barricades, hands going up, waving at Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Prime Minister waving back at them. Clearly the crowd here is energized after catching the first glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And you can also see the vehicle which is ready now for the Prime Minister to begin his road show, as the Prime Minister steps down from the stairs and moves towards the vehicle. He will be accompanied by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath. Modi Modi chants all around, people raising their hands up in the air, waving at Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Their MP, their candidate, the Prime Minister of the country here in Varanasi, as a candidate today, as the son of Ma Ganga. In 2014, he said कि मैं ना यहाँ आया हूँ, ना मुझे किसी ने यहाँ भेजा है, मुझे माँ गंगा ने बुलाया है. And today, in 2024, the Prime Minister says, माँ गंगा ने मुझे गोद लिया है. So he is here today as the son of Ma Ganga, seeking the blessings of his constituents. Prime Minister Narendra Modi there, walking down the stairs now and towards the vehicle on top which the Prime Minister will take position, along with, I believe, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, and the road show will begin anytime now. From this point, the statue of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, the Prime Minister has paid his tribute. Now he will move towards the Kashi Vishwanath temple, and this route that the Prime Minister is taking is a 5-kilometer long journey. Right behind the Prime Minister is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath. This road show will go through Asti, and just take a look at these visuals. I believe words are not enough to describe the kind of energy that is there, the kind of vibe that is there. That's how I would like to describe this. Upon getting the first glimpse of the Prime Minister, just take a look at how the people people here in the city of Varanasi are welcoming the Prime Minister, their candidate, their Prime Minister. In all the rallies so far, the Prime Minister has said, "Aapka har ek vote Modi ko jayega." And today he is here to seek votes. Today he is here to meet his constituents. And as far as Varanasi is concerned, many believe that this is a reflection of the nation's mood. We'll also try and go across to our guests to get their view on what they feel about this massive response to the Prime Minister. We have Mr. Rajgopalan, senior journalist. If you can hear me, Mr. Rajgopalan, your first comments: electric, electrifying, ecstatic, and those are the kind of words being used. Crowd here is re-energized. Clearly, it was really hot here. They were patiently waiting, and upon catching the first glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the spirits are high, the josh is high. Is this a reflection of the nation's mood, Mr. Rajgopalan?
Yeah, it's a very massive rally. It's a very impressive rally. And moreover, madam, Mr. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, was in a Gurudwara in the morning in Patna. From Gurudwara, he is going to Kashi Vishwanath. That means the synergy. That means the Hinduism and also the Sikhism. That is the synergy what Mr. Narendra Modi is having a convergence. That is the reason why Mr. Narendra Modi chose today and tomorrow 14th is very auspicious day, Mangalwar, Tuesday, Hanuman Din. That is the reason why he chose 14th. And moreover, he paid his respects to Madan Mohan Malviya. After Mr. Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of India, Malviya was given a Padma, Bharat Ratna. So therefore, Mr. Narendra Modi knows the public mood, knows the sentiments of Uttar Pradesh wala, and moreover, you can also see Mr. Yogi Adityanath is also with him. Huge number of followers, along with that cockade, is entering this Varanasi city, and it is going to be a 5-kilometer long. Apart from that, the impression what one gets is that Prime Minister's message is very clear. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chose to wear a certain attire, a saffron attire. Why? He is going to a temple. In the morning, he was in Gurudwara with a turban, with a Sikh pagadi. So, Mr. Narendra Modi and Yogi Adityanath are having the same dressing attire style. With this, I would like to say, Mr. Narendra Modi trying for his third term as a member of parliament from Varanasi, and also from there he wants to represent India as Prime Minister.
Mr. Rajgopalan, stay on with us. Before I take comments from Tushar Gupta, he's also with us in the broadcast. Welcome, Tushar Gupta. Good evening to you. Let me quickly go across to Mohit. Mohit, the Prime Minister's convoy has left from the starting point from Lanka Gate. He's moving towards the Kashi Vishwanath temple now.
Well, yes, Swati, and I am at the Nandi Chowk, and this is the place which is the main chowk which leads towards the Kashi corridor, and you can see the atmosphere is electric, it's festive. Everywhere you will see the pictures and posters of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and in some time from now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will come from this side, and look at these, a traditional welcome to be given to the Prime Minister with the mantra, the chants, with the holy chants, and as you can see that how the young students of Gurukul, young students of Kashi, of Gurukul, they are chanting various mantras to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because this is the place at the main chowk from where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will move towards the temple, and as you can see, we'll try to welcome is being planned for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and you can see that on that side, people have gathered over here.
अब की बार 400 पर।
कहाँ से आए हो?
मैं गाजीपुर से आया हूँ।
गाजीपुर से आए हैं, प्रधानमंत्री पहुँच गए, कुछ ही देर में आने वाले हैं, क्या कहेंगे?
अब की बनारस में उनका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। हम लोग धन्य हो गए। यहाँ पे भेड़ बकरियां चरा करती थी 14 से पहले, और आज यहाँ का नजारा आप देख सकते हैं।
10 साल में कह रहे हैं बहुत काम हुआ है, क्या
एकदम आप देख रहे हैं, खुद ही इतना काम हुआ है।
जो लोग मिलते हैं कहते हैं कि पहले यहाँ पे भीड़ बहुत होती थी, निकलना मुश्किल होता था, लेकिन अब बहुत खुला हो गया,
बहुत सुविधा है, एकदम सही
बात बताइए। हम काशी में हर हर महादेव के अभी तक जयकारे नहीं लगाए, थोड़ा जयकारे लगाए। प्रधानमंत्री पहुंच चुके हैं, कुछ ही देर में यहाँ पे आएंगे, क्या कहेंगे? कितना एक्साइटमेंट है प्रधानमंत्री?
बहुत एक्साइटमेंट, उन्हीं को देखने के लिए हम लोग 60 किलोमीटर दूर से आए हैं।
कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम जौनपुर से आए हैं।
जौनपुर से, गाजीपुर से, हम देख रहे चंदौली से, सारे लोग आए। आप भी
हम जौनपुर से आए हैं भैया, जौनपुर से आए।
आप भी जौनपुर से आए हैं। प्रधानमंत्री देखने आए हैं, वाराणसी के वो सांसद हैं, पहले भी आप काशी विश्वनाथ के मंदिर आते रहे होंगे, कितना फर्क आया है?
आप हर बार आते हैं।
कितना फर्क पड़ा है 10 सालों में काशी में? कितना फर्क पड़ा है 10 सालों में?
90% विकास हुआ है काशी में।
90%
विकास हुआ।
ये बताइए, खैर आप लोग बीजेपी के पटके हैं, आप कार्यकर्ता होंगे, लेकिन कांग्रेस के अजय राय कहीं दिख रहे हैं यहाँ?
नहीं दिख रहे।
मुकाबला है कुछ? There you see people who have come from various parts of Uttar Pradesh.
All
They
right,
have come over here, but
Mohit,
look at-
stay on with us. We also have Pragya here on the broadcast. You know, one of those gentlemen with you spoke about Vikas ki 90% Vikas Varanasi mein hua hai, and development is the pitch of the Bharatiya Janata Party of this current establishment. I want to bring in Pragya as well. Pragya, like we've been discussing, this is not just a roadshow. It is much more than that. On display is going to be the achievements of this government in the past 10 years, focusing especially on Kashi, and multiple points in fact made along the way in this 5-kilometer long roadshow, where people of various communities have gathered. They are going to be welcoming the Prime Minister with rose petals.
Well, Swati, this is a display of 10 years of achievement of Modi government, and not just that, this is also a display of mini Bharat here. We have been told from Tamil Nadu, from Andhra, all sorts of people who reside in this Varanasi Kent constituency, they have come and they are performing and they are donning their traditional attire to welcome Prime Minister Modi, thereby saying that Prime Minister is of whole country and not just an MP from Varanasi. So this is the sentiment that most of the people have here, but we also have very young women, female voters. We'll speak to them. आप प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को देखने आए थे?
जी जी जी
कैसा लगा? वेव किया उन्होंने आपको?
बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा।
डेवलपमेंट आपको दिखा वाराणसी में?
पूरे भारत में दिख रहा है अपने को डेवलपमेंट। वी आर वेरी लकी कि अपने प्रधानमंत्री के संसदीय क्षेत्र में पढ़ रहे हैं।
बहुत लकी है ये कह रही
जी
हैं।
जी
So Swati, these are the people who are saying, especially the women voters, they are saying that they are lucky that Prime Minister is their MP. ये उनके संसदीय क्षेत्र के voters हैं, is what they are saying, and they are saying that they can see development throughout the country and not just in Varanasi. This is the sentiment of youth, female voters, first-time voters. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been time and again telling the party to woo these voters, as there is a sentiment. These are the voters who sit on the sidelines and they decide on the day of polling whether they want to vote for a particular party. But the sentiment here is, it's for everyone to see, and this is on a display. There's a sea of voters, sea of fans, electrifying atmosphere. Even police is right now having a difficulty in managing the crowd, despite the fact that Prime Minister had left the venue 10 minutes ago. If you can see, no one want to leave the place. They want to see the place and feel the place where Prime Minister had been. As you can see, there is also a queue of people lining up to garland and also respect Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. You can just see that everyone want to be there where Prime Minister was, and they want to express their feelings as well, Swati. They're very thrilled that Prime Minister was among them right now.
Let's focus on these visuals a little bit. A sea of saffron is what you see, but these are not just BJP workers, isn't it, Pragya and Mohit? These are people of Kashi who turned up in large numbers on the streets to welcome the Prime Minister. He is, after all, their MP. He's the Prime Minister of the country. It makes it extra special. The Prime Minister, remember, got extremely emotional while talking about his relationship with Varanasi, while talking about his relationship with Ma Ganga. He said in 2014, he spoke about how Ma Ganga ne unhe bulaya hai, but in 2024 he says Ma Ganga ne mujhe गोद लिया है. I want to go back to Mohit for more live reactions. Mohit, the Prime Minister also said कि अब वो खुद बनारसी बन गए हैं. And on this entire stretch you'll see multiple posters saying हमार काशी, हमार Modi. Now one thing that comes to mind is this a reflection of the mood of the nation, many would ask.
Well, Swati, as you said that many such posters are seen, and look at these posters over here. Hamar Kashi, Hamar Modi posters have been put up over here by the BJP because Prime Minister has said that now he belongs to Kashi, and hence we see that how people from nearby areas of Kashi have also come here to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi.